Okay, so we're here at our hotel in Guthrie, Oklahoma. We just got into our room, and well, the thing I find weird about this, we're actually on the first floor, and it's 101. That's what it is. It's really weird. And look at this window right here. It's not even all window. That is actually the wall back there, but there's curtains. Like, I don't know, it's just kind of a strange, like the ceiling's just really high or something. I don't know, it's kind of strange. But anyways, I'm going to film this PTAC unit right here. It's something I find cool. We could just walk right out there, and I could do a start up and shut down of this air conditioner, because there's a door right over there, so I could do a start up and shut down of this air conditioner from outside, which I probably will. This is obviously disconnected, just like always. I don't even know why they do that. But yeah, it's one of these Prem Aire units. Alright, so I watched some PTAC videos. You can actually take this front panel off right here, which I'm going to do that. We're going to look at the data sheet. Here it is. Alright, so here's the data sheet. Okay, model PTW09 23C 3C, I think. So it looks like it's a 9,000 BTU, I believe, from 2014, 28th week of 2014. So got that back on. So we're gonna do a start up and shut down. I guess we'll set the camera right here. Alright, so it's on, and I'll tell you what, let's actually go outside and, so we're gonna go right out here. The reason I started right there is because of these reams right here. I'll go ahead and show these real quick. I will be filming these sometime, but probably tomorrow morning I'll film them. But yeah, our room is right here. Alright, so here's the unit from the outside. Kind of interesting. There's the compressor right there. It's kind of hard to see, but yeah, there it is. I can't really see what kind it is. It's really hard to see inside there, but yeah. Anyways. Alright, so I guess let's go ahead and do the shutdown now. Alright, so the compressor's off, and there it goes, and actually, I remember this, and you can see the blower in there. I remember this from last year. Something stays on after you turn the unit off. So it's not completely off right now, but I think it might be the compressor, but I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video, so we're not